To delete a Facebook page you are no longer in need of, open your Facebook app. At the top right hand corner, you're going to see your profile picture. Tap on it. Then you scroll down a bit and you're going to see pages. Tap on it. So all the pages you manage would come up. The next thing to do is to tap on the very page you want to delete on Facebook. So let's say I want to delete this page. I'll tap on it. Then it's going to give you the option to switch to that very page, because if you do not switch to the page, you will not be able to have full access and control to delete it. So we tap on switch and we are now in this very page. So at the top again, you're going to see the profile picture of the page. Tap on it. Then you scroll down and you're going to see the option settings and privacy. Tap on it. Then you see the option settings. Tap on it again. And here you scroll down, and as you scroll down you get to your information. Then under your information you see the option access and control. Tap on it. Then this interface will pop up: deactivate page, which is temporary; unpublished page, which is also temporary; delete page, which is permanent. Now because we want to delete the page, we tap on the option delete page, then you tap on continue. And here you have the option to tell us why you want to delete your Facebook page. Now I can choose I don't find this page useful. You can choose any option. Then you tap on continue. Here it's telling you that before you delete this Facebook page, there may be some things that you can do to help get more out of Facebook. You either invite friends to follow this page and so on, but we just want to delete the Facebook page, so we tap on continue. You also have the option that before you delete, you can save your posts in your archive or download your information, or just go ahead and delete it. So I'm not interested in any of this. I'll tap on continue and I'll be asked to enter my password. This is my Facebook profile password, that is the profile connected to these very pages. So I'll go ahead and enter my password. So I've entered my password. I'll just tap on continue and it's asking me to confirm deleting the page. I'll just tap on delete page and the page is gone. So it's now bringing me back to my Facebook account and asking me to log in again because the session has expired. So it's going to refresh and give me access to my account again. If you got value in this video, do well to like, share and subscribe. Also turn on the notification button so you don't miss out of my subsequent videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next content. Later.